good water resources. Always master the skills necessary. Always get the job done. Always know your place. Always disallow foolishness. And always rest whenever you can. That I live by. Like a little song that keeps me on track. 10 fingers, 10 laws that I live by.